This is how Los Angeles looks like during a fire outbreak. I want to walk around to show you. This is not the main part of Los Angeles where the fire is happening. This is the Silver Lake community and Echo Park, between Silver Lake and Echo Park community. And this is the Sunset Boulevard. I just want to walk around to show you how the place look. The fire happened yesterday on Hollywood Hill and Pasadena. But this is how the sky looks like. Los Angeles sky is not usually like this. You see how the sun look like? Usually it's blue sky, but because the fire is still happening and because it smells like smoke, so we have our, you see, mask just in case. It's so uncomfortable to be walking around. The smoke, you can smell the smoke from here. You see how the whole weather looks like? It doesn't look good at all. And this is not what many people sign up for. Los Angeles weather is usually like that. The sky blue, sunny days. I hope that you guys subscribe my channel. I will keep you update. Hopefully you'll keep praying. You'll keep praying for the people of Los Angeles. Many people are losing their homes. Many people are becoming homeless. It's getting really bad. Hopefully it get better moving forward, because the wind is not like it was 2 days ago, yesterday and day before. There's not heavy wind right now. We hope that the fire can be contained. So I'm walking on Echo Park. I don't know what's going on that side. The whole place is just, the sky is different. But around here, because there's nothing happening here, so a lot of businesses are still doing their normal thing. It's just that people are prepared to move anytime. People are prepared for evacuation just in case. We are hoping that nothing will happen. So this video, I'm not gonna edit it. I'm not gonna like do a lot of cutting or anything. I'm just gonna film it and upload it, show you how the place looks, what's going on. But yeah, I'm going towards the Echo Park neighborhood. I started the video around the Silver Lake neighborhood. Yeah, so around here, everything seems little normal when it comes to people movement. For other places, if you go around Hollywood area, the Hollywood Hill, many people got evacuated yesterday. And around here, you can't even see better. It's just, I don't know if you see how the place, the other side is clear. This side is not clear. You know, LA people move here for good weather, but there are a few things you need to know about LA. If you are even buying a house, there are a few things you need to know. You should get earthquake insurance, because there's a lot of earthquakes that happen here and you never know when it's going to happen. You should also get fire insurance. Mostly fire insurance you need to get, because every summer there's fire in Los Angeles, every summer. So it's just that some of us are very surprised to see fire at this time, because it's a little bit cold and it's not like summertime where it's just But the fire started happening due to the heavy wind wind that were blowing, and at least that's what I believe. I don't really know. That's downtown on the other side. I'm gonna go to Echo Park. Once I go around, I'll show you how Echo Park. So you can even see downtown from here. On a clear day, you can see downtown. I don't know what's going on there. I think it's some type of construction. So there is, I think there's construction going on, because I'm not seeing fire truck or anything. Yeah, you see, that side is just different. I know LA usually has a lot of smoke. That's how they call it, where you can't see much from distance. But like how the sky looks like right now is because of the so I'm in the Echo Park neighborhood now, and yeah, it's like a lot of people are wearing masks because of the smoke, and it smells so uncomfortable. I haven't experienced it like this at this time of the year. Usually summertime, people always, so that Pasadena on the other side, that's where yesterday there were fire. I don't know today, I haven't checked the news. This is Glendale Boulevard. Yep. So today's Thursday. City workers are working with the power. They're making sure that everything is okay. You see, this is how the floor looks from a heavy wind that brought all the fire problem. And this is what caused the fire, because of the heavy wind. Just for safety, I decided to stay back here and not go where the action is taking place.
Should I take it on my phone or on the app?
Let me let the professional do their thing while I stay back here. Yeah, this is the Echo Park neighborhood. Yeah. So this is Logan. Man, some dust are getting in my eye. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. Echo Park is there, but I'll show you that in a minute. So this video today is not going to be editing. It's just going to be a walk-in video, just because I want you to see the raw footage. And basically, maybe I won't even edit it. I'll just try to post it so you can see the raw footage. Don't forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. I've been trying my best to really keep to a schedule. I know some of you might want me to go to where the action is taking place, but for me, I think it's better for the professionals to do their jobs. And Dodger Stadium is not far from here. So you see, that is Echo Park. This street is called Echo Park. I'm gonna go down to show you. You see how everything just looking red and the smoke is too much. And I think there's something going on there. Let's keep praying for LA. We hope nothing come around here, and we hope those that lost everything get help, because it's not easy to start over. Unexpected, start over. I appreciate all of you that always watch my channel, that always subscribe. I always appreciate the comments too. So I'm close to Echo Park, and once I get to Echo Park, maybe I'll try to walk around a little bit and then stop the video. This is apartment here. People are going through a lot of tough times already in LA, and then something like this happening is really bad, very, very bad. But what can we do? Unexpected losses, and things always happen. So this is Echo Park, one of the most popular parks and tourist attractions in Los Angeles. Many people come here to walk around, They have some boats. I'll do a video again, but a lot of people have seen video of Echo Park before. This is one of the places you can come and chill. Long time ago, during COVID time, there were a lot of homeless people here, but they cleared them out just in case you haven't been here since COVID. So now people come here, they do their little exercise, running. They got boats, some boats over there that people go and ride. Couple can ride them, a little ducks. People can ride them over the water. This place is one of the places that people, recognizable places in LA. I like to come walk around here or running, exercise, all of the above. It's good to just take a walk here and concentrate. Some people, like during the weekend, many people come here and just sit, almost like going to the beach. The thing is, yeah, so from here to the beach is a little bit far. If you go into Santa Monica, it will take you maybe more than 45 minutes. If there's traffic, maybe 2 hours. For that reason, during the weekend, some people don't bother going to the beach. They just come and sit here and yeah, but today's Thursday, so don't expect to see a lot of people, and then the whole thing happened. For that reason, many people just stay in their houses. I see people wearing a mask. Yeah, many people are wearing masks. I need to wear mine. I got mask already. So I just wanted to reach here and show you the ducks. These are the ducks, and I'm gonna just stop the video here. Thank you all for watching. I hope